Mwancho muligereri na ukwanira ase omogoroba obono ngochaka ase kugosabu kwabera ase ngincho yokurokwe eliogi elio boro byamono ase bali baerekiria maliogia ose eliogi gwikera ase nchira ere engi keranu litukeriga lie 15 na limo ngo kwarigania ase Ensa Eyemo ya bono mogoroba elio tyanyora maya ase nchira yobwekeranu nimete na kwegokire na boyo kwebwatiri alionsi agendere tokorekana iminsi ya Kenya na mono ase chinga bure chiga bunense ya Kenya gendere tukumulira omugaka Raila Amolo Odinga oyo obetega korara kare ni myaka 53 amanga berka gokorekana na gwikira boniga ayadenari agendrete gokorekana iminsi ya Kenya irikwenekina umuyegoye nkobore omwikira ngwikara rituko lyo mwerio liria gutugutwa rituko lya Jumapili bwati Ensoko TV wetra senchero mutandao bwekerero na bwiga sense media ya YouTube Ensoko TV ereteriane Ishmael Mogere. Asomo chakano ne rituko lyabere na mange ritukeriga lyokumolera Raila Amolo Odinga mubero yenu nyara kuwika emambia bono na gwikira boniga Ensa Eyemo ndigo ngokwira paka segetikeriga Kasarani abwase abananchi na bakenya sobunge basangirikanira sobwamo eri okoligereria omubere oye. Gusukwa mutwe magiga yoyo ringo muraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga gutimukani go muraiwe William Samuel Ruto arwete umurubiri bwo kwene kiama tanga aye Raila kobari amaikiranu abwase erombe y'abantu 30 bachore tukogenda koretu mubire bw'umusiki Raila Odinga kurwa Ensa ya India muri kito Diana Ndemo nigo arigani roboti urwo gwesabari kurwa imeyegeti gyechi kiendege gya JKIA kogene mense ya India goika koirana.
A delegation comprising government officials and family members, led by Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia Mudavadi, is leaving immediately for India to facilitate proper organization in the repatriation of the remains of our brother, the Honorable Raila Odinga. Other members of the delegation are Cabinet Secretaries Kipchumba Murkomen, Hassan Joho, and other ministers, National Assembly Majority Leader Kimani Ichung'wah, Minority Leader Junet Mohammed, and other members of the Odinga family, Jaoko Oburu Odinga, Kevin Obio Oginga, and others, and Mama Aida herself. The family has finally decided that she will join those who will be going to recover the remains of the Honorable Raila.
Chinsa ibere nenuso chabotko igoro na lierombe jabanto 30 yacholetwe kogenda kolenta omubere bw'omusiki Raila Odinga yarwete egeti kendege gya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport kogenda imiyense ya India chinsemo cha Mumbai. Sabari yabo yokogenda eseria ya India ekerensi ya Kenya kumanya ndege yabo ya KQ chimibere na isato ne chinsa chogoika India endege yonigo yachagete kubwatigwa asobwange kigima unayalenge inchera kogenda chinsemo cha Mumbai mwanchomo liaralia omuchio Nairobi goika ensemo ya Mumbai India nigekoira egekagie chinsa isano nemo goika chinsa isano na ibere. Oika kwa baraji yabwo bacholetwe kogenda India wachakiwa asoko watigwa kwange mono na inde kwendege yo jabogoletie omusiki Raila Odinga kuirana asegeti gya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport kerendege yo yalenga maligoro kerenga ki emeganda yale kobeka amaiso na kumanya asere nigo yana komentekana ilikwenekia na kumanya buna angayi endege yo yeikire. Kero ya soimense ya Kenya endege yo ya KQ chimibere na isato nigo ya Rwesco na kubeka irieta ya Raila Odinga njaro kwa ROA 01 kose Raila Amolo Odinga 01 nigo ya tacha egeti ya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport chinsa isatone nusu chamambia nago ikomo iriobe sabari ya ye kubwatigwa asobwange mono abakenya boigo baikasegeti nigo banyora libaga lyogwakwa chibicana boigo gosugunana endege yo bunenchera yamo yokomunyira omusiki Raila Odinga naboigo no monto oanchire n'abakenya bange kubwatikana ne namba y'abarayibanyara bagoikirana naboigo abakenya banyara bagoikirana asegeti ya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport. Kolipoteria egetaseni gya Nsoko TV kurwa somo chomone Nairobi getariane Diana Ndemo.
Alenayo nigo ritko lya lero mubaro monene bwa bakenya bwesokya kumulira na kumwisiko enene yomwelio Raila Odinga abwase amange aenekiwa egati yabo eburoburu asegetige chigosori gya Kasarani tumonyore muriko itu Daniel Omwaga na amange
chinsa isato no chiteke 30 chamambia mubere onyagosira Raila Amolo Odinga nigoika asegeti yechindege gya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport imeyendege ya KQ203 maega ayechinsa isano na ibere igoro oyerire kurwa India kore amo onabairi amo onabarai au ime eye serikali yagati yabo omwana oye Winnie Odinga omwoneba wa waziri Musalia Mudavadi Modikio monene ebwe kiama gya ODM Edwin Sifuna umugabana abwe county ya Nairobi Arthur Johnson Sakaja umwaziri w'oburendi Eyemo Onesmus Kipchumba Murkomen omurai bw'abange ase bunge Kimani Ichung'wah, omuwaziri bw'amang'ana ayekerero William Kabogo, amo n'omuwaziri Hassan Joho egati y'abarai banda abange. Erombe y'ekiribu ky'abantu nigo oyesokia asegeti ekyo gya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport kumulera Raila Odinga egento kyoro kya teneni bunarenge gya nchiki abange. Omubere Raila Odinga nigo sinyokoirwa gwikegeti y'ekigosori kya Nyayo Stadium amo onamaga chamanene y'ebunge na gwika ase enkendu uyali buna yabangire kubatikana anerombe y'abantu abo bwesokya komorera egento kirera ekomiti intenenera ayo emoroberio yayo komwenya uchikali moryoka omubere yekoirwe geti kya Moi Sports Center Kasarani eliosoncheru ororo korende nigo yaba kongo mubere Raila kororwa maega yaba na inchi abo bwalibya egeti gya Kasarani komnyokania na abanyanyimbo egento kera abanyimbo ko bwatoka Chitiagase amona koruta chimbunde cha masasi igoro oyerioba nonye nigo ekyo kumyankelinga chinchoke nigo charakana ko basaga na burra abanyanyimbo bo borendi bekerengo kerega KDF na ko babundelia emebulera kirage magega yesiginye yechinsa chintambe Chinsa ikomechiteke emeronga etano igoro chamaragoba nigo mubere Raila Odinga ongyago sonchua ase omoyega orau amono mora ibwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto omokonyo ye Professor Kithure Kindiki yokabeiro mora ibwense Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta omonene abanajeshi General Charles Kahiri Musalia Mudavadi Mugavana abwe county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati egati y'abarai bande yemagaga yamasaba kokorwa no morandi korwa enseme ryoborendi ya KDF emyaka 33 oyege siasa yo mabwaye yo kabero prime minister bwense ya Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga nigo yege tomwe yari tukuri Jumatano tariki 15 imeya koche India asabete ko siru mabwaye kabwate emyaka 53 Bono, mubere Raila Odinga ni ura usiwe segeti ya Jomo Kenyatta International Airport tukule Jumamosi erukubwe egoika egeti ekeria kya Moi International Stadium imeya Kisumu asura sonchwe imegeti ekeria agya Kenyatta Stadium imeya county ya Kisumu emega yaye kumukibwa anechigalia egoika ase omogondoye imeya Bodo Farm ugaria imeya Bondo county ya Siaya ase arabe kutumuka aritko rye Jumapili korwa oboiko bwense ase ai au korwa imena isiko yense ya Kenya bakora uno murai bwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto ngirepota ya egeteseni again Soko TV kuroso katikati muchi Nairobi riatiranje kuro kwa Daniel omwaga
Magega yogotinenia egikaro kiebunge nene abwigoro amono monogeri bwebunge Moses Wetangula kubwatikana no gusira kwa Raila Amolo Odinga nigemambia yerituko lyarero monogeri oyo ara egikaro kiebunge komolera omusike Raila Odinga ase bamwatwire buna oyo rwanerete obosibole anene mono bwebyama ebinge bya gisiasa ogwetera ogwancha chigosori nigo abajumbe baganire egeti gya Talanta Hela kurukwa elieta lya Raila elio kumwenyura
magega yogote nigikaro kibunge nene abwigoro amo nomunogeri bwebunge yo Moses Wetangula kubwatekana nogosira kwae Raila Odinga.
Honorable members, we meet this morning under a somber cloud that hangs heavy on our nation. You will recall that I did invoke Standing Order Number 1 to adjourn the morning sitting of this House yesterday, a decision that resonated with the anxious solemnity that gripped the country as news broke of the passing on of one of Kenya's greatest sons.
Nigemambia yelskuriya rero omonogerio yo arege karukia bunke kumarira omarai Raila Odinga ase bamwatwire buna oyo rwandrete obosibore anene mono webyame binke bya gesiasa.
When multi-party democracy was finally restored in Kenya, he became a central figure in shaping the nation's modern political history. From his election as a member of parliament for Langata constituency in 1992 to his leadership in the government and opposition, he embodied resilience and an abiding faith in the will of the people.
ODM, the people, the broad-based government, and the people of Kenya, we have lost a great man. We have lost a hero, a person who today we celebrate and we are happy about democracy because he is the father of democracy. I think we all remember right from the 82 coup all the way to 1992 to 2010 to the birth of the 2010 Constitution. And in each time, Raila Amolo Odinga fought hard for the democracy of this country, for the freedoms that we today enjoy in this country.
I wish to call upon all Kenyans to remember that they are the people that fought for democracy in this country, and therefore, as we remain, we pray for him as he rests in peace, and may we remember as Kenyans that this country is larger or bigger than all of us, and may we maintain peace and stability in this country.
Kurengana na wetangura nigo amotigire omuskera irudinga uno yochorete omorembe no nyamaiga yokobuwa chintunda chinyinge na okora okobwatana na bari ao.
Honorable members, even in moments of political contest, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga often chose peace over power. This was demonstrated in the year 2007, 2013, 2017, and 2022 elections, when he put the stability of this nation above personal ambition, demonstrating time and again that leadership is not only about winning, but about holding our nation together.
Igati abachumbe bande niko ba mwatuire buno murayi omoremu oruandreta ba Kenya bonsi.
Looked like something will happen and Raila Odinga will be back. It is very difficult. We mourn a very courageous man. I admired the courage of Raila Amolo Odinga from when I was a young boy. What Raila has been able to do for this country in very difficult times, Honorable Speaker.
That Raila who would capture people just with his greetings. The man who would walk into these rallies and he would lift one hand and he would say, "Haya, haya."
Singona yabo niko nyagusira Raila Odinga anchete chigosori. Sigati yabachumba bubaganirigati gia talanta hela ekiendrete kwagachwa korokwa edietadia Raila Odinga ediokomo inyora.
He was an ardent supporter of sports, Arsenal being his team.
He was also a lover of sports. I remember in the last concluded Chan Games, I could see on Raila Odinga attending to all the matches that were being played. Even with his advanced age, he would go there very early and remain there until the matches are over. It is for that love for sports that I'm proposing that the newly built Taranta Hera Stadium in Dagoretti be named after Honorable Raila Odinga and be named Raila Odinga Stadium, so that his name can be remembered for very long.
Kwa ripoti ya Ensa TV kure kaunti ya Kisii, Nchempetuel Machin.
Gusukamutwe omoncherera kurwa sensemo ya tabaka Daniel Ombasa Pepo nigaesokirie na kurwa ebirero bya eguchia se Raila Amolo Odinga asokorosia esanamu elio amuikerie Raila korende tanya konyara libaga liokwana na ekewa bamoroseretie kurwa aserigena liekware elio likweresera obugima bwaye kurwa ekerarengo mwana mokegwika asobura ibwaye bono nigo Daktari Fred Matiang'i arachikomwirera omongina Odinga ekewe kikubwatikana n'obwanchi n'obomo bwa Matiang'i agwate guchia se Raila Odinga.
Bunenchere Eyemo yokomorera naboigo komoinyoranya gosira Raila Amolo Odinga nigo monchererio yomo asa Marieta Daniel Ombasa Apepo korwa sewo dia tabaka asokirie nekegwa ikiari na marora manene yo gugeikirania ase familia ya Raila Amolo Odinga bune kinyorio kyoborai naboigo obugima bwaye. Kegwe keiga nigo kerosiri ase nchira yobumanyi obonene mono abwase kerosiri korwa serige na liekware eliriko bali koywa imeye wodi yo ya tabaka. ekegwe kegie sanamu korwa seriganalie kware nigo gekweresera obogima bwa Raila Amolo Odinga korwekero ari omwana omoke.
Mnaona mbele yangu inaitwa ni maisha ya mtu, kwa kizungu wanasema ni cycle of life. Huyu mzee amelala, hatukujua itafanyika. Hii ni maisha ya marehemu sasa Raila Amolo Odinga. Tumesema kwa vile ni maisha in art, hata alipozaliwa tumesema Raila alizaliwa hapa. Hii ni maisha yake, mumeona mtoto alipozaliwa, maisha yake ndio hivi. Saa zingine iko juu, zingine naenda chini. Alienda shule na shule ndio iko hapa. Umesoma hapa Kenya, umesoma Ujerumani, umeona kitabu. Ikiwa hivyo, alikuwa ni mchezaji, ila alikuwa anacheza ni football. Ukiangalia hapa, huyu ni yeye, na kuna mtu anacheza mpira.
Enyomo yaye
amua baadaye akawa mtu wa familia, ameoa na akawa na watoto. Ukiangalia hapa, hii ni mtu wa familia. Love ni familia, na alikuwa na upendo kwa familia yake.
Raibwaye
alikuwa anataka kufanya kitu lazima ifanye. So kwa Kiafrika tunasema alikuwa ni warrior, mtu leader really. Alikuwa na Kiafrika kitu inasimamia uongozi ni hii, mnaona Mwafrika na mkuki na ngao, shield. Aliingia uongozini sasa kupitia hii kutafuta uongozi. Yeye amekuwa kiongozi hasa na mpaka akawa prime minister, na alipokuwa hivyo alikuwa mwanasiasa. Na wale mnajua alijulikana sana na ile simbo wakati alikuwa anatumia ile gari hama. Sasa mpaka ile chama yake ilikuwa inaitwa Nyundo. Ukiangalia kuna Nyundo hapa.
Kobe kwa asege sibo.
Kitu kingine hapa, ukikumbuka Raila amekaa kwa jela. Sijui ni miaka ngapi, lakini nyororo inasema alifungwa, alikaa kwa maisha ya gumu, ako kwa jela.
Okubwatana nabarai au gose handshake.
Lakini tena Raila ni mtu alikuwa anapenda kuleta watu pamoja. Ingawa walikuwa wanapigana na wenzake kisiasa, maneno ya siasa ikisha tena wanakuja pamoja. Inasema hatutaki maneno mingi, sisi tunataka watu wakae pamoja. Ile tulikuwa tunasema shikana pamoja tufanye kazi nzuri.
Nigo apepo asabire abarai au ababale no kugania goko bekera obugima bwa base sanamu babe bakomutarera ase chinsemecho elikwenyorera chisanamu echu nabaigomba bwate egatie chisanamu au kolengana no gwancha kwao.
Sababu tunampenda ni vile amepigania hii nchi. Unataka nao kusema I wish Raila angekuwa na hii mawe kwa nyumba yake, na yeye ajue kazi gani amefanyia wa Kenya. Hasa maneno, unajua maneno ya kuleta multiparty alikuwa ndani, maneno ya kubadilisha hii katiba alikuwa ndani, kupigania watu wote Kenya mzima, hata Afrika mzima, Raila alikuwa hapo. Na sisi tukafeel, can we be associated na Raila na kazi amefanya mzuri. Jaramogi Oginga Odinga used to call himself a giraffe because he was able to see far, and I think that is where Raila got his leadership qualities. And giraffe is known for its visionary approach to issues where you see far. So this we also carve giraffe, and I want to believe that the late father Jaramogi Oginga Odinga was a very visionary leader. That is what Raila copied from him, and this can be treated as a giraffe family, where we have got leaders coming from that family. And the Jaramogi used to say, Mimi ni giraffe.
Bono nigeke gwekyo kirachikobage kwenanwa guciase familia nyagosira Raila Amolo Odinga noyo kabeire omoteneri bw'oburendi bwaime Dr. Fredo Kengo Matiang'i unenchere Eyemo yo kumunyora asobora ibwae na boigo bokoreri bwae guciase ensi yaito ya Kenya. Bono nigomba sapepo ababoleri abarai bonsi imense yaito ya Kenya banyare kwega oborai na boigo chimbwa cyanya gosira Raila Amolo Odinga elikwene kiabuna ense yaito ya Kenya ngosukere motwe anene bono niga gokeire asoko chikorwa ekewe kekia baba Raila Amolo gochiase family eliba beba kumunyora ase oborai bwae. Korwa igata baka ward imeye bunge ya South Mugirango county ya Kisii inko reporter ya Amayia imeye Soko TV elietaria ne Mausa Caroline.
Ase ritko lya kabere nigo abarai amona abananchi au baba ose banyara bagwesokia ase ritko lya lero elikumurera omurai nyagusira Raila Amolo Odinga abwase umugando monene na boigo amange anyaraga kwenekiwa egati yabo chiobobe chinyinge tumonyore muri kyoito namange.
Omoroberio bw'okurigereria omubere bw'omuske Raila Odinga igoenekia chiburaburu omogoroba ya rero kikirira abanyanyimbo koruta omuganda oikera nororo eriokirio kurusia amariga erio kuirania obotwererio. Ayo nigachire magega yabarai na boiga bananchi wesokia asobonge na kumurera Raila ase omodirector bw'Ensoko TV wakili Job Nyasimi nere arure amagombaye
ase litukolia rero imkani tikoira chinga kiechi on behalf ye Ensoko TV korua pole na koena na pole na inde pole enene sana uchese familia yomo right prime minister mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga na pole ngani tiagendese aba Kenya bonsi mwaka mheshimiwa prime minister right prime minister Raila Odinga unyarira kora mange se Kenya ya bono unyarira koleta democracy urwanere democracy kuru multipartyism paka tuanyare tokonyora democracy ye byame binge ande tonyale to gutware katiba ya Kenya etotumia wona ya 20
abarai korwa ase bunge nene na barabwo bainyoire Raila ase obokoreri bwaye.
When I was come here man for the Honorable John Mbadi without a dream of ever becoming a politician, and it's actually at that point that Right Honorable Raila Odinga identified me, and I then joined the Youth League of the Orange Democratic Movement, then under the leadership of Rashid.
He just came and believed in me and launched the first plant that we did at Kiruchi Breweries. And immediately as he was a prime minister, before he could finish his tenure, I told him I wanted to expand and put a 5 billion investment. And still, he came and laid the foundation stone. So Kiroche, as we stand, it's what it is today because of the late our Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga.
Raila nigo asoire ase omugano bwense koba omurai obwate chinguru asensemeri kwamereria serikali asaba Kenya batebire bunati barochi ningo orache kubeka ebikoroto byaye. Ngoripoteria Ensoko TV kurwa ase omucho Nairobi eretariane Linet Nyambane.
Ase ensemo yende magiga yechibura buru ko ene kiwase getigia Kasarani miyo mucho Nairobi ekiraba Kenya besokia sobonge ko kurigereria omubere bwo musike Raila Odinga nigigati yaba Kenya bagendere komocha emeroberio yokomwenya John Kabianga Roteru mugaka umukoro oyuo ororira magambi onsi ense ya Kenya nigatebire nga konanga matangayo nigarenge komentwa goika omutinyo yomo nonye okuganie kwaye Raila Odinga kwari amatuko atatu elio kwalibaga omuberoye goetananigwa ase county elio gokeania gotianyana kwa bantu. Twasabira kwabira ase omugano uyu no chigo gokira badaye omwakili George Morara bwakuma nigo amorerere uyo kabere Raila Odinga ase akwanera mayayo abakorete abakenya anenake nigatebiruna mono ekiama kia ODM nigo kiganirie abaraya bakongo au baragendererie emirime yu Raila Odinga atigeire magega na kugendera kubwatania abakenya wetera ekiama ekyo
bila etangutangwende yonsi tuarere na ogokwa gose ogosira gose asokorwa senseye kwa mosike mo prime minister mukuru Kenya Raila Amolo Odinga yakunire na kiagosire Ensa ya Kenya abake asaba nene abagaka asabangina aba muri asaba iseke bonsipi bakuniru no gosira kwa mosike Raila Odinga abagusi osenyomba yeto umwanya getinge ni ntu aba mu babantu bense yeto ya Kenya tuafaidikire na ugatuzi gose katiba ya retete amangana devolution tuarurira magendero ase binyoro ase chinka koetera sipara chinyagetari chisemi na binde byonse pyoboremi ne binde byonse pi ebi byarenge maega ekere katiba yarenge erietenenete serikali enene kurunaro biyoka asobora ibumo morai mo prime minister osirire bona yagosira Nairobi morai kurwa 2005 gosi mwaka 2005 we kiama kia ODM kiama kia go shereke miaka 20 yogo chaki we kiama Raila ochire lakini kiama kia ODM no okere chinga kieche tokorigina na rero mambia abana ODM mbachora Oburu Odinga gotkovente nenera asichinga kieche chama tanga lakini kiama kia ODM nkebwate aba deputy batatu au bale Simba Paul Arati mo governor gusi senator Ososi omo deputy party leader omo senator Oviga na omo sike Abdul Swamad Nasir omo governor Mombasa omo deputy leader ODM kiama kia ODM koenda mutwe aba nanchi bense ya Kenya abange bakolire na onyobo teneneri bwaye mbwagenda somongina ida Odinga ekiama gia ODM ngetwara ubumarufu gochimotu
asense moyende umwogereri bwobwene bwamwanya bantu ase county ya Nyamira Enoch Oguso Mocheche nigatebire nga ugoko kwa Raila Odinga nigugwatigire Eliansa line na nene ase ubwegereri bwamwanya bantu Mocheche nigatebire buna Raila korangirwa linge ne chinse chinde ogenda ase chinse icho koreta omorembe
ono na intwe tokoreri bageru na ukurobisio ko robane bwamwanya bantu na koengora ase family omwakarero Amolo Odinga na Kenya ngimatlachi kiagero mugako yobero mugako monene na ndobere gakurwanira omurembe kurwase obugima bwaye bwonse actually no akorera bakabona bone gakire kurara na into togosoma example kama kurwe salenga toba bantu togotena na farm na sekene na anda se abaribande ba minto barororo like na our leaders gotogo batenga basoma example kyo mako Raila Amolo Odinga bunalengo mugako tenene farm asa mangana ya gotenenere kene na nero likuru baramangana amange gotebya bakenya tibanyara ka bakomishwa kiara na tenete farm no nechi bill kiara gotakero gweti no parliament mugako ryokana na abanangi basoka sika bamubwatisia weika banyara ka bagotenena abanangi bamenya no mulembe ekina kina njogo saba kwana na intubuna kurwa service yo gorwana bwamanya abantu togotebanga umugako yo itemere makorere nemenene igabonete kwa gweshiko in fact igabonete kwa one hona enene like a gold medal for the work he did in terms of democracy kiara without yaranga bono ntobati freedom no ne yogo kwana wekirana na mangana twanyoro no ugatusi ajete bona gato bwate Kenya ya retire kiara chiwe sikirange central city in one place lakini bone karagete sawa kareto ugatusi bone chibe kirichi achire na abantu abange banyoro ka bakonyoremeremo eyere achira asaba abantu abange se country yetu ya Kenya omugako oyo onyara ka bagakorara lakini olete uchire bune hero olete raba Kenya bonsi nsengima yanyara ka bagekora not only Kenya the whole world olereru ase nsengima asinginji emirimo yabete gagokora emirimo yuka yokogorerwa mwanyanto na gwakisha ng'abantu bonse bamanyete no murembe n'ekisi n'ekionse kiara ngochorwa arenge bona kona n'ekisi Yesu kuchikoreta omurembe no mugaka orenga omonene bw'eng'encho nande ase achire tari goferi na bare kogenda okora emiremo emenene nande onyaraka bagakwira n'abantu banyaraka bakamenya no murembe igo eng'ana yende ya kabere esabara yabaminto bono batigarete bono batigaira ase egeti egento ntaete kobateba bono ase eng'encho yokobwaterana tiga tomanye ng'a nonya na amachiko togwetia amachiko aya titoetia amachiko because of convenience ng'a ase inche etaikeria eng'ento tororora amachiko aria tofebe tiga toetia amachiko tomanyete ng'a ntobwate abana na abana mbaro batarabirwe bakaba bachiko na bachokororia ka amachiko tokobeka gagochikoba epesis geta yogochiko bakonye gose kogochiko bairia
mwancho morigereria Ensoko TV oboroso bwomogusi maigayo motimoko omoke gose gosiomeri chiduka ning'irane na yanda mange tosuka kurwase TV yago
Ense ngongo ibere kera etageka na kera ensa amang'ana Amayia nigo agwateka nimbe ngotuka gosaka nabo igo gukumanya ayarabe gagwateka korwa ase omochiomo neno Nairobi erieta riane Linet Nyambane
Omochiomo neno Nairobi Kisii Nyamira nechingongo chinde chense ya Kenya abari kibaitomba bakorentera mang'ana Amayia ase enchera y'oboikirano emanya mange nabo igobwatira n'Ensoko TV koigeka ching'enjo chiomugusi Ensoko TV oboroso bwomugusi
Mukabora ing'erango oyetigosori yabarire
We've never seen anybody win 3 in a row.
Bono omwancho omurigereria ayabune mututire bwe chigosori ao nobe na kireng'encho yokogokera
Goal! Absolutely astonishing. What about that from Gareth Bale?
Egeteseni kia ogie Ensoko TV bono ngiguchunchugire gokwariganiria na gokwerera chigosori ao oboikiranu Somo cha kubwata etariki 90 Daniel Omwaga gose kogwancha nabo ogontona Erieta Suarez amagosori webegi iyokorio keraritko orio chimamosi igochakera egetone gichinze sano na isato chiamogaso goika 10 chamaragoba ase omoroberi ibwe achigosori amona abanyangongo ase na kumanyana gokorotera ayatekire ase chigosori
And he's awarded a penalty.
Ayetata suka ayeba basuka Ouru Superstores eyene duka mabongia eduka wetani eduka ekoni bintu rwanchaga guchakira ebyo bwagachibuna amabati yechigeji obutambe nechirangi ao ayukwerorera no gwechorera se showroom yeito chichuma emesumari chirangi chitangi chamache no kwana togokora ngurukwe marire ebitunge tyoboleme buna chimbusuro noboyo ase chindagira ekenikia getagwisirwa nkondifura maguta y'eching'eni omochere esukari echumbi n'ebintu binde binge byeduka tako na guchamachama na gutabataba gokenakena naria kulijeduka suragure byonsi inse yekiramekemo asedigurire inse ikaseduka ya Ouru Superstores aso muchobo songo ebara ya Hospital Road amagacho Ouru Complex ange na Credit Bank
Oyonkeni Ouru omayene Ouru Superstores Limited Kisii karibu nyumbani awaminto
asamange akisimie namba 0111161500 kosetome email info@ourusuperstores.com boigongo toka turashinchira chekerero buna X Facebook na Instagram Ouru Superstores karibu nyumbani
Somo Kenya Ouru Superstores yonyore vintevi
tugetigo korobwa gachoba nene gusoboke Ovik Hardware ntubwate byonse birioganetie asobwa gachibwao gochakere byoboroso wike byekerama nkoni tore chichuma nemesumari amabati chisimiti kwane kyoganetie ntubwate nigotoko n'ibintu by'obuya bwekerengo cheguru aserigoriora ikerie nigotogotoke nsemo ya tente umuchunyamira samange twakeresi nigwetire namba 0714213424
Asamaria tankoro kwalis bosibori igaiga no Viki Hardware egotokare tente uko bari kan mwensi asamagoria rinisi
Enyagitani rubutamero chinga kichoboroere korende tarikire nyagitari erabo butamero asogoko bokali ubya bwekerengo kiguru utatiga Akasims Hospital nigo tubwata abanyagitari bomanyi boisaine bakurwari marwire ao asokolenga net machine ichekerero obokore bwito nubwichinsemero ngebere nanye nkubara tore nkwakatura x-ray nkugwani tura maiso amaino amauga n'amagongo ngokonya turabangina kuibura na kurobeli uruiburu ngokora tole ultrasound ntubwate ICU HDU NICU ntubwate pediatric services ntubwate gynecologist ngokora tole physiotherapy na pharmacy ito nigichire amariogo ngutumia toli insurance au bunasha AON Britam naboigo Trident nigo togotoka nsemo ya magina toli girenetie negite sen kyabanya nyimbo kya magina asamange akesimi 0707289342 kose tome email kasimshospital@gmail.com
Urwase abanyagitari baito bare qualified karibuni.
Kasims Hospital, we treat, God heals. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso Bumugusi.
Kisemi chebikoro elikogenda nokugani gwechiro Riatirimba Technical and Vocation College no turaiga asingenje yao nigo tukurwa chikosi cha hairdressing, mechanics, tailoring, welding and fabrication egatie chinde abaruki wabaito nkonyora baro bakonyi wa masomo wetere nchira ya help ne chikosi chito nigo chiwire uchasonde bwensi nigo tugutuka asama tabekani ya geteri ensemo ya Kesu Kisi County asamange tuakirisimi asenamba 0757331085 kusitulikere email liatirimba tvc2020@gmail.com
Samalieta ngoro kwa Jackson Omae Yondo mwalimu Mokonyi deputy principal at a college ya Liatirimba.
By name I'm Joseph Kawala, the principal of Liatirimba Technical and Vocational College. Liatirimba is a technical college that welcomes everybody who is interested in taking technical courses.
Liatirimba Technical and Vocational College, scaling the heights of technology.
Kwanza kabisa ngote babu na buja mane sunu kwenye gena koruncha kati kotera na reke buna kamono nda mateke ndoko kora lakini kugena kuno kugambe komo ke basa bakati monte matini mache mutu kuni na mani kirondi kochi makuta mutu na koruncha reko mutu meke bikunde mutu ndiko sinyu korora mutu ni turuka mutu yo jekuru kuna come to flani na ndime ya Ensoko TV oboroso womo gusi abangi na ruteke iririato
Nguliyole bintu byekerero bunesi Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi.
Karibu na inde mwancho mulireri eritwendere kwemanya Amayia yechinsa usensa Eyemo ya bono botuko kubwatikara no gukwa kwa Raila Amolo Odinga uyo kabere mu prime minister na indo muraiwe kiama gya ODM nigo ritkuliarere kiama kyo gyatwarege karo kyaye kya National Executive Council NEC gekoragwa no munyakirgo Gladys Wango mugabara Paul Simbarati amo no mugabara we county ya Mombasa Abdul Somad abo asekia mochorero mo senator we county ya Siaya Oburu Odinga kobo muraintenenera we kiama ekyo nonya nabo ensemo yabo menyibe county ya Kisii anene kigima balia banchite ekiama gya ODM nigo barule birengero byabo ase bateberuna ekiama ekyo nigo kiganirie omurayo mokongo buna Raila Odinga uyo orakeire bosyo na kora abarayi bande
Magega yogosira ko mugaka Raila Odinga uyo kabiro mu prime minister na ndo muraibu ekiama gya ODM aboigoro egente kikirire tobo kendo bonene mense ya Kenya bono ekiama gya ODM niko kyabaterirwa kurangirira umusangirekano monene bwo bwatani bwe ekiama ekyo abo asaba koro bachori bwe mwongoko umura intene na bwe ekiama ekyo abo asaba machoro Oburu Oginga uyoro mu muromu abonya gosira Raila Odinga na ndo mo senator bwe county ya Siaya
has been the neck of the ODM party National Executive Council of the ODM party that we have held here at Agile this morning. Our resolutions will be brought to us by our deputy party leaders.
Death of the party leader, His Excellency Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. Yesterday morning, while undergoing treatment at an hospital in India. The death of Baba, as he was fondly referred to by many, is not only a blow to the party but also to the entire Republic of Kenya, which he vehemently fought for, and the continent of Africa.
The country, members, supporters and the general public are free to visit any of the party offices at the county level to sign the condolence book, and in some instances the governor's offices. The body of our hero will lie in stated Parliament buildings today for public viewing from 12 to 5 o'clock.
Kubwatakana no gochoro kwa Oburu Oginga kobo muraibu kiama gya ODM ndenenera wananiga baraibe kiama ekyo bakura no mugabana bwe county ya Kisii Maske Paul Simbarati amanore bwe county ya Mombasa Abdul Somad obaraba konyi bo muraibu kiama ekyo abana Gladys Wanga oyoro monyakero bwe kiama gya ODM na ndo mugabana bwe county ya Homa Bay ngobakwana na baralia reko bamanya Kenya eke kiama ekyo gekera asomo sangerekano yo
Amolo Odinga's time, we believe in unity of purpose, a stronger democratic party and a party that must live on for many years to come. With this regard, the NEC has designated the Senator of Siaya County, Honorable Dr. Oburu Odinga, to be the acting party leader until the time that the top party organs will meet and elect a substantive party leader to fit in the big shoes that have been left by our leader.
Nonyena boni gensemo ya manyibe county ya Kisii baro ibirengera byabo igoriye kiamekyo abwase bate babuna ni go baraganie kiamekyo gechikochora omurayo makongu uyuragenderere mirimo ya Raila Odinga atigaire nchera
na ande bono tatanyoru muntu bodiamo makongu kabisa uratokonya gaki twatigaire nsebo be bono ntumadinga itokucha na itogokorera
ekiama gya ODM koenda mutwe abananchi bense ya Kenya abange bakorire na onyobo teneneri bwaye mbwagenda somongina Ida Odinga ekiama gya ODM ngetwara umaarufu gochimotu onye kiama gya ODM nkeira na se drawing board kebange na ekero musikera ilata iyo ngora moridi na ande na kirate na gochimotu
nore umuntu yo momo kongu oragambe at least yakire no chidogia mwakuri abwate ODM ntukagerete nguciere ko benkongu mono ekiagera otigira abantu bare ne chinguru lakini rende tumiete bunabangi na kiagera na turwanerete
bono niga bande batebere buna ekiame kya ODM niko kaganirie abarayi buna Simbarati Edwin Sivuna amana bande bali bwate obwege nwo cyase kiame kyo bune nchira yamenyo kogendereria ogetingia
bono ngo sabaiga ego chora kuri bachora nga Oburu Odinga be nero entenenera ye patrida Oburu tigatenenere kero to jogora matanga gere komiti yo jugaransanse ko chora enyare ko choro baraya baya kuna bono Paul Simbarati ayo patrida anyare ko suguma kyame gya ODM kendere ko bane chinguru unagia kabere kurukale ese myaka 20 etire ase papa turaire ekyama kebwata ine kire kirase kire county
mwegende bwana ndakora ko ikabareta na mabona batigarite baikaranse
bateme gukwana baiguane ekiame kikimana kogenderera onyemba koiguana kiame kenge kunya kogenderera kuiga kebutoke bagotebanga asibara buni go babwata mayanda manana asenga nchego sira ko mwaka Raila Amolo Odinga bunanda asibate bere buni kiame ka ODM ekiganda go chikoba ekiame kongo nigo babona takorigereria omurayo yomo ubara nyoro makongo kigima uragera ndere okoremere buni mwaka Raila Amolo Odinga arenga okora nguripatira Nsoko TV kuroga igasibo katakati wa mochibo songeretera na weekly forenge
ase ensemo yendo mwanchwa omorigererie etureti y'abagabara imensi ya Kenya bakoragwa n'umunyakerugo Ahmed Abdullahi nigona barabwo ensemo yabo batumire engora yabo guchiase eamate yanyagusira Raila Amolo Odinga abwase boigo wetrase umunyakerugo basabira kwabira guchiase abakenya ase abagabara bandi gutekerana asomusangirekano yo okorekana lituko lya lero kuruberia na lya yarachiko korekana ase lituko lyo mweri guse asomoyiga bwo kumutindeka Raila Amolo Odinga.
You would understand that there are many governors who are actually involved in the actual planning and currently doing various things. Our two deputy party leaders, our chair of the ODM party, they could not be with us here. There are many governors. So this is really a tribute to a truly transformational leader. If there was a transformational and charismatic leader in the Kenyan political space in our generation, it was Raila Amolo Odinga. Someone you would just want to follow, not because he's transactional, but you actually believe in the things that he believes in for this country. So, and really, I mean, for the political grievances that he had at personal level, knowing what Kenyan elections have been since 2007, you can see how much he really believed in peace and how much he sacrificed for the sake of peace in Kenya. And he has taught many African leaders that there is nothing worth burning your country for. The grievances he had.
Abajumbe bacholere nse ye kyama kya Wiper nigo asensemo yabana baro batumire ngore yabo gucha sabamu abo abacholere nse ye kyama kya ODM bakoragwa no senator we county ya Kitui Enoch Wambua nigo batebere na umura we kyama kya Wiper Kalonzo Musyoka uyore taro ime yense ya UK nigo airobere tukwira na iminsi ya Kenya eriyo gocha kumolera gusako bakiroli asamatanga yo kumutindeka umuske Raila Amolo Odinga.
We, as the leaders of the people that we lead, stand in the gap this afternoon to wish the family of our fallen coalition leader God's comfort and strength during this difficult time. To our brothers and sisters in the ODM party, we say pole. This is a big loss, not just to the party ODM, but also to the leadership of our country. We condole with all Kenyans from all walks of life for this huge loss and pray for peace and stability in our country as we prepare to lay this great leader to rest. In honor of a person that he has worked with for so long and fought so many battles together, His Excellency Dr. Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka has cancelled his scheduled visits in London, and as we speak now, he is on the way to the airport to pick a flight back home to join Kenyans in giving Raila Amolo Odinga a befitting send-off.
We say, Baba Raila, rest in peace, in eternal peace, and you will forever be remembered by your good deeds that you did. The reason why we have freedom of speech today is you, Baba. The reason why we have devolution today is you, Baba. I hope devolution will be sustained and the goals that you wanted to see, Baba, will be achieved.
Na wikira bwo mwancho murigereria no tugwikira omweri obwa Amayia yechinsa usiyense Eyemo ya bono butukumbia bana sokochora Ensoko TV uboroso bwo mugusi na kwa niaba ya bari twabwatarana na barabukwenekia Mariogi echibichanga mona Brian Chaka, director Zack Felista Kaberi amo na Roslyn Wanja gendragote gutwara obwo rigererio bya ningirane na yanda mange inse yechidakika angisano korbono iretariane Ishmael Mogere.